In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Airbnb app not working. So if Airbnb application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try updating the app. The problem might be caused because of the bugs. So in that case, if you update the application, the bugs will be fixed. For that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Airbnb. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Airbnb and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Airbnb and long press on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Airbnb. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the cache of the application will be cleared. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. Once you do that, your application should work. But sometimes the problem might be with your device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. For that, long press on the power button. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, your device will be restarted. After that, try using the application and your problem should be solved. So that is how you fix Airbnb app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.